Today we have the 2020 Tesla Model 3. This is the long range dual motor with just under 87,000 miles on the clock. On our user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, as well as an overview of the vehicle. If we click our Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access controls, dynamics, charging, autopilot, schedule, safety, service, and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. The Model 3 comes with a 360 degrees camera, and if we press here, we can access our climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.